You will love this, MakaGiC's new smart electric vise. MakaGiC is an electric vise with force adjustment function. You only need to lightly press the button, and it can automatically complete the object holding. Its clamping distance is up to 125 mm. MakaGiC can adapt to most of the daily clamping work, whether it is soldering circuit boards or woodworking carving, mechanical processing, equipment maintenance, and so on. MakaGiC has up to 100 adjustable gears and a wide range of clamping force up to 7 kgf. This way you don't have to worry about damaging the clamped object. In addition, MakaGiC is also equipped with a 4400 mAh battery and supports Type-C interface charging. We hope that MakaGiC can become your DIY work platform. Therefore, we also provide you with practical accessories: LED lights, Fresnel magnifying glass, exhaust fan, etc. These practical accessories can be quickly connected to MakaGiC through the magnetic interface. You can also control these accessories through MakaGiC, such as the brightness of the light, the speed of the fan, etc. To ensure that MakaGiC can be used continuously in any scenario, we still retain the manual knob. We also considered the clamping problem of irregular objects. We added a clamping column design to ensure that the objects can be firmly clamped. The jaws can also be easily removed. You can replace the jaws with different materials and shapes to suit the objects you need to clamp. If you have a 3D printer, you can also customize the shape of the jaws. Out of material considerations, we use 100% recyclable aluminum alloy as the body. It is stronger and more environmentally friendly. We have spent a lot of time doing the design, verification, and production work. We hope that MakaGiC is a milestone, can lead the new era of intelligent desktop manufacturing tools. This is MakaGiC.